In today's video, I am going to teach you how to bulk delete emails on Yahoo Mail. If your inbox is overflowing and you want a quick, reliable way to clear it out, this walkthrough will show you exactly how to remove large batches of messages in just a few clicks and make sure the space is actually freed up afterward. Start by opening Yahoo Mail in your browser and choosing the folder you want to clean. This could be your inbox or any other folder you've created. The actions you take will apply only to the folder you select. So take a moment to make sure you are in the right place before continuing. At the top of the email list, you'll see a small checkbox above the first message. Click this checkbox to select all messages currently visible on the screen. By default, that usually means a single page of messages. This first selection is just a starting point and helps Yahoo display the option you'll use to grab everything. Once those messages are highlighted, look near the top of the list for a message that appears, usually saying something like, "Select all conversations that match this search." But it will clearly offer to select all messages in the current view or folder, not just the ones on the page. Click that option to include every email in the folder you are cleaning, which is the key to a true bulk delete. With everything selected, click the delete icon represented by a trash can in the toolbar above your messages. This moves the selected emails to the trash. If you are working with a very large number of messages, Yahoo may ask you to confirm. Go ahead and confirm the action and give the system a moment to process. You'll see the emails disappear from the folder once the deletion is queued. Remember, deleted emails aren't gone yet. They're sitting in the trash. To permanently free up space, head to the trash folder in the left sidebar. Hover your cursor over it to reveal the option to empty folder. Click Empty Folder, then confirm when prompted. This completely removes everything in the trash and cannot be undone. So only proceed if you are sure. Emptying the trash immediately reclaims storage and keeps your mailbox tidy. That's it. Open the right folder, select all, confirm the large selection, delete, and then empty the trash to finish the job. Thanks for watching.